Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily save a video frame as a photo in iOS 27 on your iPhone and iPad. Sometimes the perfect photo is hidden inside a video, especially when you are capturing a fast moving moment and don't want to risk missing it by switching to the camera app. In iOS 27 or later, the Photos app makes it much easier to turn a single video frame into a standalone photo. Instead of pausing a video, taking a screenshot and then cropping away the playback control, you can now directly save the frame you want as an image. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Photos app on your device and then you have to play the video in question. After that you have to tap on the menu button located at the top. And finally, you have to choose Save Video Frame as Photo in the menu, and you're all set. It will instantly save the still from the video. Now you can edit and save the photo just like any other picture on your device. The ability to save a video frame as a photo makes it much easier to capture those fleeting moments that you might otherwise miss. With iOS 27 or later, you no longer need to use the screenshot and crop workaround to deal with playback controls appearing in the final image. Simply choose the frame you want and save it directly from the Photos app, where it becomes a normal image that you can edit, save, or keep in your library. If you frequently record videos to capture memorable moments, this feature provides a quick and convenient way to turn your favorite frames into photos. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.